Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm in Ueno area and there is a nice Christmas market here. Let's go and check it out. Maybe we can get some hot wine here. It's cool, I think. This Christmas market wasn't here last year, so I think the first year they made a Christmas market in Ueno area. It's so cool. Let's go check it out. It looks cool. And by the way, I'm shooting this video with a Osmo Action 6. This is the latest Osmo Action. Also, I wanted to test this camera. Let's see. Oh, it's nice. It's huge here. And with the autumn leaf, it's really nice here. And it's not too busy because it's almost 2 p.m. now. Very nice. Let me have a quick walk around the whole area, then let's try some drinks. And there's a sitting area here. Very nice. Music also is going on. I might get copyright. That tree is so cool over there. That really, the leaf is really cool. It's like the only tree that got that fresh red. Alright, you can get all type of drinks and food here. And here is Ueno Park. Very popular park in Tokyo with a lot of museum. Coffee mostly. Sausage, potato, and beer. They have all type of beer here. Maybe I wanna get some hot wine. Sausage here. No hot wine? Maybe they have hot wine here. Sausage as well. Alright, they have wine here. It's afternoon, I can't drink beer now. Maybe I should try some wine only. Classics. I don't know if it's hot wine or normal wine. Let me see. Sumimasen. Hot wine お願いします。
ホットワイン。
はい。
はい、一番ので大丈夫です。
はい、お願いします。
お会計750円。
はい。カードありますか？
カード現金だけ。
あ、現金。はい、わかりました。はい、お願いします。Alright, let's try something.
250円。
はい、ありがとうございます。はい、すみません。
18番。
ありがとうございます。ありがとうございます。Alright, let's try this hot wine. Hot wine. My favorite drink in any Christmas market. Alright, let's go drink it here. In front of this Christmas tree. Hot wine. And the weather is a bit cold today. It's good. Taste. I don't know how much alcohol does it have now after it's boiled, but it tastes really good. Out of snow. You can buy some stuffed animal here. Smoking area. Sitting area. It's good, it's chill, it's quiet. Because there are some other Christmas market in the Skytree, Roppongi area. I think if you go those areas, it should be more crowded than this. But usually at night is more crowded than daytime. Yeah. Alright guys, I think that's it for this video. I just wanted to test this new Osmo Action 6. It's a good camera. Let's see. You can use it sometimes for some videos like this. Alright, see you on the next video. Please hit the like button. Thank you very much guys. See you next time. Oh, this is not cool. こんにちは。これは本物ですか？本当に？ This is real. オカミ？何ですか？トナカイ。すごい。いくらですかこれは
3万円になります。
？3万。So, wow. Yeah.
相当お安いです。
安いですね。
輸入代とかでも込みで3万。
これはどういう風に使いますか？
カーペットとか。
カーペット。カーペット。So this is carpet. すごい。It's really cool. Wow. Very soft. ありがとうございます。Wow. Very cool stuff. Only 30,000 yen. Carpet. Maybe you can wear it as a jacket too.すみません、こんにちは。フランクフルトは2つですか？はい。はい。フランクフルトは。
フランクフルト、バジルソーセージ。
はいはい。
を1つ。
はい、お願いします。
バジルソーセージ2本盛り1つ入ります。はい。現金のみなんですけど大丈夫ですか？
はい、大丈夫です。
850円です。
はい、お願いします。
1000円からでありがとうございます。
これはいつまでですか？
これはですね、12月の25日。
25日。はいはい。今年は初めてここ？
今年って初めてです。多分初めてです。
去年はいなかった多分。
そうですね。もしかしたら去年なかったかも。
なかったね。
150円のお買い物です。はい、ありがとうございます。
ありがとうございます。
あちらでお渡しです。
はい。
ありがとうございます。
Yeah, this is the first year actually they made this Christmas market in Ueno. Let's try some Frankfurt. はい、ありがとうございます。Alright, that's right. ありがとうございます。はい。Okay, we have to use this. Alright, let's go and try this. What's that? Let's see. It's pickle. Pickles. It's really good. The outside texture is crunchy, inside is very soft and juicy. Really good.